Good morning, and today I just want to record for my January check January 15th. So right now I did manage to get my rest day, and all I do was sleep and then play games. I have games over there, and this is my PC. It's or the RGB lights is currently turned off as I like it, so I need to push the button for the lights as many times as I can until it turns black. So that's why I didn't want to shut down my PC, although it needs an update for security reason, and yeah, I don't want to shut it down because of the lights. And right now I just um I was supposed to sleep, but I'm not feeling sleepy yet because I wake up around 2 a.m. earlier, and then once I wake up I did the laundry, and then after I did the laundry I did play games and then get back to sleep, and then I wake up again and then continue to play my games, or not really play games, but I'm watching Excel video. So this is not my, what they call this, account for my work related stuff or personal development. This is just my gaming profile. So right now I'm using that because I want to take my time to rest and enjoy. And earlier I did watch some Excel on my work account, and then I fell asleep, and then I wake up, and then that's when I realized that I fell asleep. So I did the laundry after that, and then play games. So it boils down to three activities a day. I did wash my clothes, I play games, I fall asleep, and yeah, it's worth it. Although my camera is pretty much blurry, but the screen is really good. And later I'll be using the controller. So my brother have this controller, it vibrates, so I really like I really like this one, although the control is a bit off to the games that I played, and I couldn't be bothered using other controls or remapping the key, so I just stick with the control.